1. Why you still feel exhausted after enough sleep. Ever wake up after a full night in bed, only to feel like you've barely slept at all? You're not alone. Persistent tiredness, even after what seems like enough sleep, is a classic sign of sleep deprivation. And it's not just about the number of hours you spend in bed. Experts explain that quality matters just as much as quantity. If your sleep is restless, interrupted, or you're not reaching the deep sleep stages your body needs, you'll wake up feeling drained. Factors like stress, blue light from screens, late-night caffeine, or even an uncomfortable mattress can keep your brain from fully recharging. Over time, this kind of hidden sleep loss builds up, leaving you sluggish, moody, and less focused. Your body starts to send warning signals like cravings for sugar and caffeine, or trouble getting through the day without a nap. So what can you do? Start by tracking your sleep patterns and making small changes. Set a regular bedtime, keep your bedroom cool and dark, and avoid screens at least 30 minutes before bed. Even minor tweaks can help your body get the deep, restorative sleep it craves, so you wake up truly refreshed.